Hey everyone, so I wanted to quickly talk about boosting because I realized I came to a revelation, a very, very, very important thing about boosting, which I'll share closer to the end. I just want to quickly preface it with an introduction to boosting. So if you don't know what boosting is, you can read this article. I'll include it in the description. And you can actually go and follow along with the screenshots I provided. We're talking about boosting offers today because there's a specific reason, and I'll share it with you very soon. But essentially all you do is when you're boosting a post, or if you go to boost and then you click on your post and then hit boost, and you go to offers, you can send someone a certain amount of tokens, even like decimal point, like 0.001, and you can send it to their channel as an offer for them to potentially accept, and then it'll share on their channel, and you'll pay them, and then it'll pay them. And if they reject it, then you get your money back. And otherwise, your money is like sitting in this indefinite place, like waiting to be accepted. So I made an example, like I sent to Milika. She's like probably one of the most popular channels. 0.01, do you want to share this? And I could revoke it, get my money back. If she never accepts it, the money will just be sitting here. I think they should probably add an expiration, like 20 days or something, like just to make it easier for us to get our money back. Plus, it's probably less load if they execute those after a while and terminate them, I guess, not execute. So if you can create a boost, here's an example. You would go hit boost, go to offers, type in whoever you want to send something to. Probably mostly going to be targeting verified accounts. And then you can just hit boost. See, I'm going to send 0.001 to Bayout Streams, offering them to share this, right? And then when they go here and they go into inbox, they'll see something. See, I got this from Flat Earth Doctrine and I rejected it. I don't know where it says I rejected it. But yeah. So you'll see all your offers in inbox. Definitely be sure to check that. I don't know, again, if you get like notifications when that happens or not. But now I want to talk to you about the most important part of this whole thing. When you accept a boost offer, it will appear on your page. It'll show up as if you've just reminded it, you've shared it. And that's all well and good. But it's now locked because you had transacted to make this happen. So you can't just unshare it like you could anything else. So remember this, because one day you might decide to purge all of the things on your account and restart your account. Well, anything that you advertised is still going to be there. And people might get screwed on this in the future where it's like, oh, well, you promoted this thing 5 years later, they did this evil thing and we see that you supported them 5 years ago, so how dare you? So keep that in mind. I mean, people also have to be reasonable. It's like you couldn't have known that 5 years before, but these things can come back because anyone will find anything and use it against you. So be very wary of the offers that you accept. At the same time, you're getting cryptocurrency just to share something, and that's really, really cool. I think it's amazing that they've baked in this sort of influencer transaction, model where as brands come on, then they can start really forking over tokens to people and have direct offers in your inbox where you can just approve or reject. I think it's really, really good. I think it could be improved because it feels like it's not really used that much. It's kind of out of the way, not really streamlined into the rest of the boosting process, but I think it has the most potential. And I think it would also be cool if you could reject something but then offer a counter offer, like, yeah, I'm not going to do it for 0.001, but I'll do it for 1 token or whatever, and then I could then see the counter offer and go from there. I think that's a really good solution and a cool way to make it more streamlined, again, because someone might just want a different price, so they'll reject you, but they won't bother to go and message you and so we want to streamline it as much as possible. If Jack, Ottman, Mark, any of those guys end up watching this, let me know what you think about that. And everyone else, let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to be using offers, if you're going to take them a little more serious, if you're going to be a little more cautious with them, etc. just wanted to let you guys know and be very wary of this, because I came to this realization yesterday, and I realized it was really important for people to keep this in mind as Minds is growing and people are trying out different things, especially with boosting. So, on that note, I am gonna head off. Cheers.